Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Tony Policastro here from Music Villa in Bozeman, Montana, home of Gibson acoustic guitars. We're actually very close to the shop where they make these fine instruments. And here today, we're going to be looking at an exclusive model for 5-star dealers only, which we happen to be one. But before we get into this instrument, please, if I could get on my knees and remain on camera, I would be begging you, sign up for the acoustic letter. It will give you priceless videos, photos of all these really cool, exclusive, custom, one-of-a-kind acoustic guitars that we get in the shop, delivered right to your inbox. On to the Gibson 1930s reissue L1. This guitar is unique. This is one word I can think of to try and describe it. It's not something you're going to see every day in the guitar shops. It is a reissue of a very popular guitar from the 1930s, the Gibson L1. Most commonly associated with the blues man Robert Johnson. The one famous picture of him you'll see, he's holding a guitar very similar to this. And that's kind of the vibe that this guitar has. It's very hollow sounding, very boxy sounding, great for fingerstyle, very percussive. You kind of have to play the blues on it almost, just because of the way that it sounds. This guitar, again, is an L1. It has an Adirondack spruce top, a period-correct bridge made out of ebony, bone saddle, rosewood fingerboard with dot inlay, old style, really neat silkscreen The Gibson headstock logo with vintage 3-on-a-plate tuners, really clubby neck, kind of for that 1930s feel, a little bit wider fingerboard, 1 3/4, mahogany back and sides, and the depth on this thing is actually what is the most noticeable, kind of striking feature. This guitar body is 4 1/4 inches deep, even deeper than some dreadnoughts. So this guitar packs a wallop as far as its bass response is concerned, and when you add that into the whole punchy mid-range, it's a heck of a guitar. It's a potpourri of sound, if you will. Anywho, let's give this unique bird a play and see how it sounds.